get this out of here. All right, so this is my new chair, and I am really enjoying it. It's a very unique chair. I don't think you've seen anything like this before. So this is the GCI Kickback Rocker, all right? You're not dealing with like a bag like this thing. Like, you ever see the people when they're at the park or wherever, and then they gotta pack up and they're trying to get the bag on there? It drives me nuts. I'm a minimalist kind of person, so I didn't want a chair that had a bag. This has a strap. So you can actually put the strap like this. When I went to the beach, you can also wear it like this. This little latch here, this is how it stays closed, right? So you just take this off, and then to open it, you just pull it open like any other chair. See, we do have sand in it. It looks a little bit wider than like a normal chair. So I'll just put it like next to this one. So it looks a little bit wider. It's extremely comfortable, actually. And the nice thing about this one is it rocks. I'm kind of a, whenever I'm sitting, I'm usually fidgeting or I'm bouncing my leg. Dampener is back here. Basically, there's a spring in here, and it's a rocker, so you can rock. So when you're sitting there, you can rock. I mean, I really like it. So pretty comfortable, pretty cool chair. If you sit up, it's pretty comfortable. It's got a spot for your phone, which I like. So your phone does fit in there. That's really nice. It does have a cup holder. The cup holder is just standard size. No, so it does fit a Yeti. I like that. I think the thing rocks. That was a good joke. So fold it up. We just bring the legs up, boom, fold it up, and then you just take your strap, put it on, and you're on your way. Really like this, especially when the kids at the game. I'm ready to go. The other thing I really enjoy about it is how small it is when it's folded up. You would think with this extra, like kind of extra leg here, that it would be like super big. It's like my wife's Ozark Trail one. This one's from, I think, Walmart. I mean, it's just so big. Like, this one you really can shove into small spots, and this one, it just takes up so much room. And again, it has the bag. You know, we don't like bags. So, I do wish that it had a bigger storage pouch, you know, like maybe something hanging off, you know, just so you can put like extra stuff, your phone, maybe your keys, you know, because if you have a drink and you have your phone here, you're pretty much maxed out, right? It'd be nice if it had just another pocket. Like, they could have put another one of these maybe like over here. All in all, I give it an A+ by making a video. I think they did a pretty cool thing, and actually everyone that's seen it wants one. So that tells you something. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. And I'm CGI Outdoor Chair out.